श्रेय जैन, 1 minute thought to you. श्रेय मेरा रेगुलर है, श्रेय मेरा बहुत ही प्यारा बंदा है. Shrey has been there at the CATKing family, helping IIM Bangalore folks from the call से लेके convert तक past 3 years now. Shrey, go ahead, man.
First of all, those who are preparing, it's a very good journey from the learning point of view also. You will get to brush up all the things like DILR, maths, which is good for aptitude building and काफी अच्छा लगता है. So मेरा सिर्फ एक ही सिंपल फंडा है कि देखो अभी there are 6 months and 6 months is enough even if you have not started. मतलब अगर आज जीरो पे भी हो तो भी 6 महीना बहुत है. So don't think that I am late, मैं next year target करूँ. No, this is the right year. Okay. Abhi, there are 6 months, so just focus on the CAT exam. Don't worry about interviews. Don't worry. As I was mentioning sometime back, focus on the controllables. Abhi controllables is CAT का एग्जाम. मैं उसमें 3 सेक्शन DILR, क्वांट और VARC. थ्री सेक्शंस 2 hours. हाउ कैन आई मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट? लेट्स नॉट वरी अबाउट मेरे 10th में कितने परसेंटेज थे, मेरे 12th में कितने थे, मेरा ग्रेजुएशन क्या था, मेरा इंटरव्यू क्या होगा. कीप एवरीथिंग असाइड. Just focus on those 3 sections. 30 to 40, 50 marks, more than enough. When you will give 50 marks or 40 marks, whatever you feel, you will get a hang of the test, the pattern, and you will also understand which section is your strong and which section is your weak. So for engineers, generally, I am just not generalizing but saying, ऐसा होता है कि VARC may be slightly weaker. So try to maximize on the other 2 sections. Similarly, for non-engineers, maybe DILR and quant is little weaker and VARC is stronger. So maximize in your stronger section and make sure that you clear the cutoff in your weaker section. Don't miss out on that. And you will figure out the strategies on your own. अगर तुम 30-40 मार्क्स दे रहे हो और बाकी सुमित सर तो हैं ही गाइड करने के लिए, so you need not worry. You are in the right hands.
Awesome, awesome. Thanks, Shrey. Thank you. और श्रेय, कैन यू प्रॉमिस, 3 साल हो गए तेरे को कैटकिंग के बच्चे IIM बैंगलोर भेजते हुए, अगले साल भी करेगा ना?
डेफिनेटली. अगले क्या, अभी तो जब तक कैटकिंग है जब तक है.
अरे
So
क्या
for many
बात.
many years to come.
अरे थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच.